diary. I need someone. People look at me like I'm trash, like I'm stupid, like I'm worth nothing. I'm not stupid and I'm not trash. I'm a person. Yet people look at me like I'm nothing. Diary, today was the worst day. They kept throwing paper at me like I was just a body. That's when I shouted, "Please don't throw any more coins." That horrid woman said, "Why not? I like giving money to charity." Diary, am I charity? Have I become hopeless? Dear Diary, tonight I had a dream that my mother was there and she was alive. I was surrounded by love, by happiness. My father was there, and Diary, he actually cared about me. He was sober and happy. But then I woke up. My eyes had opened and I was alone in the world, without God, without a man, without love or mercy. Diary, I want to go home. Dear Diary, every day gets worse and worse. It's like I'll do anything for money. It's so awful. Diary, the things that people do are just unimaginable. They beat me up and gave me $4. Baseball bats, pliers, anything imaginable. Anything for money, I repeated. Happy now, they asked? I nodded once, 10 times, endlessly, as if my head had decided to say yes for all eternity. Diary, where is God? Where's God's mercy? Where is God? How can I believe? How can anyone believe in this God for mercy, Diary? Dear Diary, where is God? He just doesn't talk to me. He hates me. Today I got beaten again. This time they taunted me with their money. When I grabbed it, they punched me and kicked me. Why am I alive? Diary, I got beaten up to save someone's life, but I couldn't. They beat him and let him die. They let him lay there and no one cared. What's wrong with the world, Diary? I laid there with him and watched him die, wondering if he believed in God and heaven. We were exhausted. We had lost all strength, all illusion. Diary, I watched someone die. As everyone waited in line. No one asked for anyone's help. Maybe it was my mind playing games with me, but they served soup. As I sat down, I had no longer accepted God's silence. As I swallowed my soup, I turned that into an act of rebellion, a protest against Him. And at that moment, Diary, I felt at peace.